Hi everyone. The story that I'm going to share with you today is called Don't Push the Button, and it's by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry, and welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. There's the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. The button's right there. Oh, I want to push the button. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. Should we push the button? He said not to. No, we can't. We mustn't. Oh, I want to push that button. Psst. Larry says, no one is looking. You should give the button one little push. I won't look if you push the button. Let's see. Ah, I'm yellow. Quick, quick, push it again. Ah, I'm yellow and polka dots. Quick, push it 2 times. 1, 2. Ah, there's 2 of us. Oh no, push it lots of times. Push, 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 push. Uh-oh. Now how many are there? So many Larrys. All different colors, all different shapes and sizes. Oh, can you shake the book to get rid of the extra Larrys? Okay, I'll shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Let's see if it worked. Almost. A little more. Shake it some more. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Can you give his tummy a scratch? Scratch, scratch, scratch. Let's see what happens. Hey, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push that button ever again. But it was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes? And they're back. The end.